Hey, what's up guys? This is Phil again, and today I'll be showing you guys how I go about painting and assembling this bathroom vanity with a towel tower rack alongside of it. For this specific project, I'm using Clawlocky Post Cat Primer as a base and Magnamax Pre-Catalyzed in Decorator's White by M.O. Campbell as a finish coat. So at this point, I just fast forward a bit and I have all the panels primed twice on both sides, and the only thing left is to start finishing coat all the pieces. So when you get to this point, this is the most important part of the whole job. Everything that led up to this point, all the preparation, all the sanding, everything, all the care that you've taken with the piece, it's going to show on the final coat of paint. For you guys that watched the previous videos, I talked about making this taller unit as a monolithic piece because I had to glue the face frame and sand the side flush because of the finishing side. It's going to be exposed. As per the face frame of the vanity unit gets sprayed separately and attached to the box afterwards. So at this point, I just re-screw the face frame into the box where I had previous pre-screwed everything in place before. And this is the part of the video where I'm going to ask you guys, if you made it this far, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's going to let YouTube know that you guys like the content that I'm putting out, and I certainly appreciate it. For the hardware on this project, I'm using Tandem Plus Blunt Motion Full Extension 18 inches slides, which is pretty atypical application for bathroom vanities. So when I go to install the slides, I just follow the manufacturer specs on it. I check the application, which is in this case, it's an inset application. And I predetermine my setbacks on the slides, and I use a VIX bit to pre-drill the screws just so it guides them easier when I go to install them. Once I have all the slides installed, I just use this jig by Blum to pre-drill all the screws to attach the clips under the drawers. Here I'm just installing the drawer panels. Normally I start from the bottom up using my laminate shim spacers. Then I reach on the inside of the drawer and temporarily pin them. Then I go back and add some screws on the inside of the drawers. For the door application, I'm using a Blum thick door hinge, which is meant to be used on a door that's 1 inch thick or greater. I'm just following the manufacturer's specs in here. I believe that the setbacks from the back, the edge of the door, it's 5 millimeters. The cup holes are about 35 millimeter in diameter. And this is a European style hinge. So you're not gonna see, it's a concealed application. You're not gonna see the hinge when the doors are fully closed. Another thing to know about those hinges is it's a inserta type of hinge, so which means that it doesn't need any fixing as far as screws. It just has a tab that you press it down and it secures the hinges in place. One of the questions that I get asked a lot is how I deal with that lip left on the inside of the box. Normally, I build my boxes with 3/4 of an inch of plywood, and my face frame it's 1.5 inches. So if I make the box flush on one side to accept the slides on drawer bank side. I get left with 3/4 of an inch lip on the inside, which is Blum makes this adapter plate, which is 19 millimeters in thickness, which it makes it for a perfect setup when you're doing doors, inset doors like this. And by the way, this video it's not sponsored by Blum. I just happen to use all their products, and I like their applications and their troubleshooting when it comes to hardware. So the only thing left is to install the two units. I got a piece of toe kick that gets shipped out separately and gets installed after the pieces are installed, and a piece of crown molding that's going to finish the tall unit to the ceiling. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.